Hi, Nancy. She's gonna kill us all today. Why are you slowing down? Grip harder. Ah! Ah!
Calm down.
Look at her horrible driving. Look, Nancy, say hi.
Hi.
No, you know what you're doing. You're supposed to keep your eyes on the road. Look at this. Look how close we are. Ah! You better not get into a car crash.
Hey, you want to see me your hands?
No! Both hands on the wheel. 9, oh no,
Wait, what?
2
Who does that? Who does
and
that?
10.
Who does that?
2 and 10. Why are you going over the speed limit?
No, you don't know the speed limit.
Why are you stopping? This is a traffic. This is a traffic violation. Let me turn it off now.